Hey, Shammy Lee here from J&S, and I'm here to show you today the Money Moto smart tracker for your motorbike. So this is a really good piece of equipment. You don't actually need to hardwire this, which is the beauty of this. You can either just put it under your fairing or under your seat, whatever you see fit. Beauty as well, it comes with a fob. What this fob does is, when you walk away from your bike, go and having your cappuccino, anyone tries to steal your bike or tamper with your bike, this will activate the alarm after 5 meters. The good thing is it's going to ring you, tell you that somebody's tampering with your bike, and not only that, it will send you an SMS with a GPS location of your bike. So if you need to come back, can't find your bike, you need to go out, just get your bike. This is now available online or in store, $149.99. Thanks for watching, see you soon.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to us for some more stuff from J&S.